Right, so today we are on page 24 and we are doing a review. Now, what does that mean for people who don't understand what the word review means? It means we're just going over everything that we've learnt before this page. Okay, it's that simple. So everything that you've learned up until now, the book is asking you to just go over it and make sure that you understand everything that you've learned so far. Okay, so in the next few videos, we are going to look at I'm just looking at my book in the review. The first activity is naming the keys, and we've done that heaps, but I'm going to help you in the next few videos. Firstly, I'd like you to do it, okay? Name the keys on your own first. And there is a video where I give you the answers of all the keys, okay? But before you do that, try and name them yourself, because we've done so many videos, okay? Naming different keys, coloring in different keys. So see how you go first, putting them in, okay? And then look at the video to get the answers to make sure that you've done them correctly, okay? Okay, so now we're up to page 24 and we're doing a review. So this is really just going over everything that you've learnt so far, okay? I only need one keyboard here to help you out with this one. So, firstly, I'd like you to try and go through and name all of those keys in the first exercise, okay? So pause the video here, name them, and then come back and I'll help you to make sure you've put in the correct names, okay? So pause. Okay. So hopefully you did just that. You paused the video, okay? You went over to your book, page 24, and you filled out all those keys. We are just going to go over it now to make sure you've put in the correct names, okay? So the first key that you had here, you've got two black keys. The first key should be a cat. So there should be a C on that line, C for cat. The next key is just here. 1, 2, 3, frogs. So this should have a nice F on that line. And then you have 1, 2, 3, bumblebees. So this should have a nice B on there. And then as you go up, it goes over to this one. This is a giraffe. Okay, so you should have a nice G on this key. So we're up to key number 4. Then as we keep going up the keyboard, you'll be between the two black keys. And hopefully we're so good at this one by now. This is a dog. Okay, now looking at the last two keys that we have at the end. So I'm going to pretend the dog is here now and we're going up still. So as we go up, we have 3 black keys and the next key is sitting right here. So 1, 2, 3 and who was that? 1, 2, 3 and the angry ants. Hopefully you remember the angry ants next to the bumblebees. And the next one, there's 2 black keys and the key is here. And hopefully we remember that is an elephant. So hopefully you have all the right notes. So I'll start from the beginning without using my keyboard and I'll just name them from beginning to end. You should have a cat, a frog, a bumblebee, a giraffe, a dog, an angry ant, and an elephant. So the letters you need to have are C, F, B, G, D, A, and E. So how did you go naming your keys? Was it okay? Did you get them all correct? If not, please keep practicing the ones that you're having trouble with, okay? So if it was the angry ant and the bumblebee that you got wrong, go back and practice your 1, 2, 3 bumblebees and your 1, 2, 3 angry ants. Keep practicing them heaps and heaps and heaps. If it was the frogs you're having trouble with, go back and keep doing your 1, 2, 3 frogs. Okay, and your 1, 2, 3 giraffes that sit right next to them. So it's just telling you that you need to practice that a little bit more. Do them lots, because once we finish the first 10 lessons, I do not spend too much time working on keys after that. I just expect that you know them, that you've been practicing them lots and that you just know them, okay? So you need to keep practicing them. In class, I drill here and there when I'm doing classes, but that's because I only see you once a week when you do classes with me in person, okay? But here you've got the videos. You can watch them over and over. So make sure that you do them lots, okay? And you watch the videos lots and lots, because it It gets stuck in there after a while, especially the songs, you know, the 1, 2, 3, bumblebee. It becomes more natural to you to remember every time you hear the 1, 2, 3 black keys that there's going to be a bumblebee right there. So all good. Okay, keep practicing. I hope you got them all correct, but if not, that's all that means. You need to go and keep practicing those keys that you got wrong. Okay?